We are going to take a quick look at a Wadkin GD 5-head molder. This machine is wearing its original paint. Even that top sound enclosure has the original paint on it. It does have a 9-inch by a 5-inch capacity. Your in-feed table is 77 inches long. The head configuration is you have a bottom 7.5 horsepower head, followed by a right 7.5 horsepower head, followed by a left 7.5 horsepower head. These do not, your right and lefts do not share motors, so they are 7.5 horsepower each. Your top head is going to jump up to 15 horsepower, and your final bottom head is going to be 10 horsepower. You do have a power beam, so it is a motorized beam on this machine. We're going to jog that feed real fast. Now we can turn on all the heads with the sound enclosure open. However, it will not allow us to turn the feed on unless the sound enclosure is closed. So we're going to turn those heads on real fast. So currently all the spindles are on. Finally, we are going to turn the feed on. So if we look up in here, you can see that feed is operating. It does have a 3 horsepower feed. It's going to be capable of, I believe, up to around 75 feet per minute. Quiet running. The spindles on this machine are 40 millimeter. You are going to get 5 heads, spacers, nuts, and we do have a spindle wrench with the machine. Going to just walk around back real fast. Again, you have that 7.5, 7.5. Your left 7.5 horsepower motor is up front, of course. This is going to be your 15 for that top, your 10 horsepower for that rear bottom. There's the motor for your beam. Now, the only thing we did notice is if we unlock this fence and move it forward, there is some bed wear on this infeed about right here. So on this triangle right here, you have a slight toe in. So basically there's wear from right here, there's basically no wear. And when you come into your inside of your fence, there is wear. There's a small step right here. That is from having this front knurled roll too low. So this infeed really needs to be reground. We have priced this machine accordingly. Should not be too expensive to regrind that. Currently, we just do not have time because we have about 3 months worth of work and 80 machines to go, and that's without anything new coming in. For instance, today we do have a truckload of SCM machines coming in. So again, we are just reducing the price on this machine. Overall, a great starter machine with about $1,000 worth of work, give or take. Again, it'll be a really good machine. If you have any questions or comments, you can reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com, or you can give us a call at 630-229-6705. Again, thank you for tuning in to 360 Degree, helping you buy with confidence.